In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create and set up an email marketing campaign using Systeme.io. So that means that when you capture people's name and email address, they're automatically going to get all the information via email. So it doesn't matter if you get someone registered on your email list at 2 a.m., they're going to get the information. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create an email marketing campaign using Systeme.io and how you're going to connect the funnel that we already created with this email marketing campaign. So let me share with you with my screen. So we're going to make sure that we're actually on the same page. So first things first, okay, if you haven't opened your Systeme.io account, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open it actually for free, okay? So that's going to be on the link in the description. Second, we will need first to create the campaign, and then we will need to build the automation. How does this work? We're going to go to emails, then we're going to go here where it says campaign, and we are going to click here where it says create. So my campaign name is going to be YouTube tutorial. Okay. We already, well, I already validate the email, the professional email address. Where do you actually do this? Here on settings. This is actually really important because by the time recording this video, there was a change. Actually, it has been a little sometimes right now. It has been done by Yahoo and by Gmail. Nowadays, they are not accepting. Okay, hear this. They're not accepting emails that are sending in a massive way, which is actually an autoresponder. You're sending a lot of people's information at a time. If you are not using a professional domain, okay, if you are not using a professional domain, you're not going to reach the inbox. And actually with Systeme.io, there is a banner that says that you actually need it. If not, you are not going to be able to use the email marketing tool. So I already have it. So it says here the sender email address. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click here, which says save. Okay. And now I'm going to be using this. Okay. So I'm going to click here where it says create. Here is going to ask me for my subject just for education purposes. I'm going to use email one, but you need to use something, like important. Here's your free ebook. Here's your cheat sheet, whatever you are promising. That's going to be on the subject. Okay. Here is sender names. It's actually my name, my email address. I'm going to click here where it says save. I'm going to copy this and we're going to be doing this. It's going to be hello. And let's say that this is actually the email that I'm sending. So there are a couple of cool things that you can use here with Systeme. Here you can highlight, for example, this. And here you can use the link. If you want to use an image, you can use it here. If you want to put it bold, italic, underline here. If you want to change the color, if you want to change the size, if you want to change the font per se. Okay, here's it. So it's really easy. And here you can customize it. Okay. So here I can use hello first name, hello Peter, hello Mark, hello Susan, or you can also use it here. This is actually going to be the same code. You can actually copy it here and paste it. Okay. Let's say that I already finished. I already write my message. So we're going to click here where it says save and publish. And we are going to be choosing like, hey, after which email people are going to get it. Since we don't have another email there, that's going to be none. And here we're going to click 0. So they're going to be getting this information right away. I'm going to click here where it says activate. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to be creating another email. Okay. So I'm going to put this here, email 2. Okay. I don't need to configure anything else. I'm going to click here where it says save. I'm going to pass it. Oops. I need to copy my message. Okay, here's my message. It's going to be the same. I'm going to paste it here. Save and publish. Okay, after which email? Well, it's this one. And after 1 day, people are going to be getting this. So activate it. Okay, so now I have two emails. Something really important that you always need to check is the status. These needs to be green. Okay, if it's actually gray, it's not active. If for some reason you forget to activate it, you're going to go here on the three dots. Here I have the activate because I already have it active, but here you can click and you are going to activate it. So let's say that I already have my email sequence with 5, 7 emails. Now we need to go here where it says automations, and we're going to go here where it says workflows. Okay, here we're going to create, and I use the same YouTube tutorial. Okay, I'm going to click here where it says save. Notice that I have this one gray right now. It's inactive. Okay, I'm going to click here. And first things first, I need to set up the trigger. Okay, how are people going to get my email campaign? And this is actually how we connect the funnel that we previously built with the email marketing tool here on Systeme. So I'm going to click here, choose the trigger. It's funnel from subscribe, funnel form subscribe. Okay, which it's a funnel. It's the one that I created before. The page is this one, the quiz page. I'm going to click here where it says create. And then what's the action? Okay, I click on the plus sign, action. The action is that they're going to subscribe to a campaign that I already created. So I have several campaigns. It's going to be this one. Okay. So when someone submit the information on the form, their name, email address, they're going to start getting the email sequence. Okay. Click here where it says exit. You notice that this is actually gray. So that means it's actually inactive. So I'm going to go to three dots and I activate it. Okay, now I have it active. Diana, what if I want to add more emails to my campaign? Okay, I already create everything, but I want to add more. Okay, so you're gonna go here. Okay, I already emails, campaigns, and you are gonna add another one. So let's say that I'm gonna be adding another one. So I'm gonna click here where it says create. This is gonna be email 3. Boom. Boom. And save and publish. After what email? After the second email, after 1 day. If you click here, you can put a delay of hours or minutes, but actually after. So I'm going to activate it. Here you have. So this is how you actually connect the funnel that you already built on Systeme.io with the email marketing tool here on Systeme.io. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, if you haven't created your Systeme.io account, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.